Zipbooks tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Zipbook. If you're wondering what Zipbook is a platform that you can use for accounting, to whether you're running a small business, a freelancer, or entrepreneur. You can use Zipbooks for completely free. It is easy to track your income, manage expenses, and send invoices. And I'll be walking you through how to use the different features. So you're going to go onto zipbooks.com, and from there you're just going to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner of the navigation bar, and you're going to tap on More. Then you're going to tap on Company right below Account. After tapping on Company, from there you can upload a logo, and you can personalize your company information. So you can put in the number of employees, the founding date, and all of the different information right there. And to accept payments using Zipbooks, for example, let's say you like to connect PayPal or Stripe, you can go over to the left hand menu option and tap on Accept Payments. Then you can connect Square, you can connect PayPal, you can connect Stripe, as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do with Zipbooks, you could add different team members. So you could select team from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, and you can fill in the team member email address and basic information. And you can also put in their billing rate, so you can put it in right there. As with Zipbooks, you also get the feature with which you'll be able to create projects, and you can use it for time tracking. You can also choose the permissions that you would like to give a particular team member. You can edit that right there. And if it is a case that you have numerous locations, to add the locations, you'll tap on Locations from the left hand menu option, then tap on the plus, and you can add in the different locations. You can also set up different preferences that you may have. By selecting preferences right there, you can add the account currency and all of the different basic information. Now once you're finished doing that, the next thing I'll be showing you to do real quick is to create an invoice. To create an invoice is actually quite straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on Invoices from the left hand menu option. Then you'll tap on Create an Invoice. After you have tapped on Create an Invoice, you can tap on Bill To. And this is a sample customer that I had created. To create a new customer, you can simply type in the customer first initial. Then you'll just tap on Add. Then you can fill in the customer details right here. So we could fill in the customer details. After you fill in the customer details, you'll tap on Save. Then you can scroll down, and you can add in a title if you want. You can add in the task or service that you have offered. So let's say, for example, consultation. We could type in consultation right here. So let me do that real quick. After adding in that, you can select the rate. So let's say, for example, it was $90 for 1 hour. So we could fill that in right there. And you can see that it automatically populates. And you can add different tasks and so on that you have completed. Once you're finished doing that, all you'll need to do now is scroll up. If you had added the payment methods, you could tap on Add Payment. And you can select Save, and then from there you can share it with the customer. If it is a case that you like to create an estimate, you can select Estimates from the left hand menu option. And you could tap on Create an Estimate, and you could create an estimate right here. You can also go over to the left hand menu option, and you could select Recurring Profiles. And from here, you could set up recurring profiles. A recurring profile is an invoice template or option that future invoices will be based on. So you could do that right there. You can also add items. So you could tap on Add Items, and you could add an item. And you can create different items or different services that you offer right here. Then you'll tap on Save. So that's how you'll be able to do that. Now once you're finished doing that, if you would like to access even more features, which I recommend you do, for instance, we could go over to the left hand menu option once more, and we could tap on Tracking. After selecting Tracking, this is where you'll be able to use the time tracker in Zipbooks. So let's say, for instance, you have a project and you and your team is working on it. So you are working with a remote freelancer. all you'll need to do is select projects. After selecting projects, you'll tap on the plus. Then you could put in the project name. So let's say, for example, create YouTube video. We could type that in right here. So we'll just type in create YouTube. Then after doing that, you can select the billing method. So it will be a flat amount, and you can put in the amount that you will be paying. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you will tap on save. Now that we have created our project, we could select track time from the top left hand corner, or our employee could select that, better yet, when they are ready to start the project. Then they'll tap on the starter right there, the timer, and it will automatically start, as you can see right there. Once they're finished with the project, they'll tap on the stop icon to stop it. After they have stopped it, whenever you log back into Zipbooks, you can go over to the left hand menu option and tap on time and pay. From here, you'll be able to see how long they have spent on a project, and you can tap on it, and from there you'll be able to pay them. So with this platform, you'll also be able to track time and so on. You can also tap on reports to view different reports, as you can see right here. When it comes onto Zipbook, there are numerous features that you get access to. So you'll be able to view your reports. You can also monitor your expenses and so on. And if we were to tap on more from the top right hand corner, you'll get a quick access to numerous features. Keep in mind, some of these features you'll need to be on the paid plan to get full usage of it. Now, to add a vendor would be the same. You'll tap on more, then you'll select vendors, then you'll tap on add contact, and you can fill in the vendor name and information, and you'll tap on save. So all you need to do is select the type right here, and that's how you'll be able to save it. If you'd like to use their platform also for payroll, you can do that. By going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on payroll. Then from there, you could create a Gusto account, and you'll be able to integrate Gusto with Zipbooks. And from there, you'll be able to use one of the best payroll system, and you'll be able to pay your freelancers just like that with this one accounting platform. That's basically it when it comes onto Zipbooks. It is a platform that I would definitely recommend for anyone that has a small business that is looking for a convenient accounting platform to get started with. In fact, if you would like to go onto their paid plan, I would definitely recommend it also. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.